Zanzibar's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how I make this amazing Shuwaa paste. So I started by roasting my spices, which was 3 tablespoons of coriander, cumin, peppercorns, and red chili flakes. These were 3 tablespoons each, 1.5 tablespoons of whole cardamom, and a teaspoon of cloves. All right, so this was done on medium heat, not very high, for about 3 to 5 minutes. And please do not attempt to do this at home. And once that's done, and you really can tell because you can see the smoke and you know the aromas, it really smells amazing. So it's time to turn off the heat, and then I let it cool before I started blending. So I'm using my food processor. You can use dry spice grinder if you don't have a food processor. And then to that I added 2 dry limes. Now if you don't have dry limes, it's okay, but it is better if you have. And I do have a recipe that I have shared many years ago. You can go check it out. I'll put it in the description box below. So once I grinded this and it's nice and coarse, you can go finer than this if you want. That's not a problem. And then I added 1 whole bulb of garlic, fresh garlic, which came, I think, about 12 cloves, and a 1/4 cup of cooking oil, a 1/4 cup of tamarind, a little bit thick tamarind juice or paste if you want to call it. I actually used dry tamarind that I soaked in hot water, but you can use any type of tamarind you have, and of course some salt to taste. And I also had about a 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar, but I didn't use it all because I wasn't sure of the thickness. So I just blended this, and now I'll tell you something about Shuwaa. Shuwaa is a spice that is used to marinate and cook in Oman, Muscat, Oman. This is, I believe it's their national dish. So it's marinated, and then the meat usually is the leg of lamb or beef, and it's cooked underground, so it's nice and smoky. Yeah, I did finish the rest of the distilled vinegar, and I added some salt. So the Shuwaa paste, it's advisable to do it ahead of time because the longer it stays, the better it is. And it can stay up to 3 months, and I didn't keep it in the fridge. So yeah, that's about it. And I will see you again when I make this dish. I don't know when. So thank you all so much for watching. For more recipes, please visit me at Aroma of Zanzibar. You'll find all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. You all have a wonderful day.